Okay, I've got a baby monitor camera on there, and it's got its own battery that's just hanging there on the back of the gun. I've got this thing so I can attach it or detach it real quick, but I'm just going to leave it on there. You can see the camera is here, and this is the battery. It's a puts out 5 volts. And then here's the monitor. I'll turn it on. Turn the camera on. We'll take a look here. Serene light. Making connection. Okay, there we have the connection. I'll show you the view here. Right down the front side of the gun. Okay, so, which is the front sight's right there. So we'll take this over here and aim it toward this paper. Of course, I'll have to move it. Let me see if I got that lined up okay. Yeah, you can see the gun. Alright, I'm going to go over here next to it. Maybe it'll help also if I turn on the remote control stuff. Okay. Let's try it out. Let's see. Left or right, yeah. Okay, set that down a little better. Okay. Down and up. Alright. And down. Okay, let's fire. See what it does. That's in her. I got it so it works out pretty nice. It puts a 2-round burst. Put a little bit to the side. Actually, that's about the same spot. Right there. A little movement here. It's a little longer movement. Okay. There we have. Over now.